Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to prepare bean stew with a very simple recipe. So stay tuned. So I have here some fresh tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, ginger and some garlic. Also, I've been soaking my beans for 1 hour and this can help break down their skin and make it cook faster and more evenly. Now, this is the puree of the ginger, garlic, and pepper. So now we'll go ahead and check up on our beans. We are going for the semi-soft beans. You can also make yours very soft. It all depends on you. At this point, I'll go ahead and add some palm oil or zomi to a saucepan and add some sliced onions to it. To that, I'll add some salted fish, which will bring some flavor to our stew. I can smell the aroma already. So now I'll go ahead and add the blended pepper, ginger, and garlic to it. I'm adding a little bit of tomato paste to it. And I'll go ahead and add some sliced fresh tomatoes. I'll give it a good stir, cover it up, and let it cook for some time. Now, this part is very optional, but I'm adding some nutmeg powder, curry powder, and 1 shrimp seasoning just for flavor, okay? I've also added some smoked mackerel. And this is the point where we are going to add our beans. So I'll give it a good stir until it is well mixed. At this point, you taste and adjust the salt to your taste. So for a finishing touch, I'll add some sliced onions to it. Now add some salt to my sliced plantain. To that, I'll add some water. Mix that together and also add some salt to my yam chips. Add some water, let it sit for some few seconds before we fry. So this is the final outcome. This beans recipe is very simple. You should try it at home because it is very, very delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching.